Cheese. Basil detected. Monitoring behavior. Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you today? Welcome. How are you? Hi. So, today we will be working on the chest for the game. I'm not sure how well it will go because we need to do basically one chest and then he just got home and is cold. Well, it's also pretty cold where I am. Yeah. I also just learned something. It turns out you're supposed to have a humidifier in the room where you stream to take care of your throat and your voice. So that's one thing I'm not doing, and I think I might need to implement it because I have noticed my voice has been struggling a little bit whenever I stream. Yeah. Yes. And I did notice the air being more dry than usual, I suppose. Yeah. Yes. So, when it comes to the chains, I was thinking there are basically two things I can do. I can either make a chest that is like constantly there, but you can only open it when a certain condition triggers, right? Like defeat all the enemies. Or I could make it so the chest is hidden until you meet the conditions, right? So the difference would be between the chest that is there and basically visually you know how to open it because it's very obvious, right? That you need, for example, kill all the enemies, right? Or I keep the chest hidden and make it only spawn when you actually defeat everyone, right? So the chest only spawns once the condition is met, right?
How are you doing today?
Hello! Welcome, Max Pop. Welcome. I'm doing quite fine. I just heard today that I should be using a humidifier on the room I used to stream to take care of my voice. And that's something I had not been doing. So now I need to buy a humidifier. Yeah. Yes. And yeah, we were talking about the kind of chest. I'm not sure about how to do it, to tell you the truth. We could either make the chest only spawn after you meet the conditions, or we could have the chest visibly there and only open once you meet the conditions, right? Because that makes things slightly different, right? On one hand, if you see the chest, you have an incentive to figure out how to open it, right? On the other hand, if I keep the chest hidden, it will make the moment you meet the conditions more rewarding, right? In theory. So I could maybe do both. Yeah. The hidden chest. Or the chest there with condition already. I could have both, but it will make things a little bit more complex to program. Yeah. I also want to make the forest tile set, so we can begin to make the next dungeon. Even though I have not finished the first, yes, yet. Yeah. Well, that's a problem we need to solve today. Yeah. How are you doing, Max Swap? Everything okay? Hopefully everything's okay. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that was something I was thinking about. Another thing that I've been doing, let me actually switch to the other screen for the game development.
Cheese. Basil detected.
Cheese.
Monitoring behavior. Hello. How are you doing
Hello.
today? Smiley face.
So, this is the current, well, not current, map for the overworld of my game. As you can see, I still have yet to completely fill everything up. But I have about this, about this area right here already completed. So this part of the map is already accurate, right? We have this other part that needs some updating. A few of these screens are up to date, the other ones are not. Yeah. So I think maybe today I will finish updating half of this map. And then you will see maybe by tomorrow. Yeah, maybe by tomorrow I will already have the entire map updated. Yeah. But yeah, this is one of the things I wanted to do. It was finish the overworld, at least the skeleton of it. Yeah. There are a few details I noticed while updating the map. For example, for some reason there is an entrance right here that shouldn't be there, because this leads to basically nowhere. And then there is bits like this where there are some corners missing. Yeah. Also doors that are only one way that should not be there. Aside from that, is basically looking quite well. Quite good. Yeah. Yes. So that's what I did today. I low-key improved the map of the world, but there is still quite a bit of work to do. Also, I was working on the in-screen art that I have yet to finish, but that one I cannot really show until it's done. Yeah. Aside from that, we have this. Let me minimize that. So we finish technically the bird. There is still some issues with the eye and a couple of animations that are missing. That is for this little guy right here. What is it? This eagle. Right here. This little guy. Yeah. And today we need to make some chests. I suppose the first step I should take is to make the sprite for it. Let's see. Let me just make one and start from there. Sprite underscore. Let's just call it chest for the moment. Yeah. Okay. So this is a 32 by 32 grid for the chest. Given the angle we are going to be using from the camera, maybe I should make this a bit more detailed. Hello, welcome. Welcome.
Hello.
I'm trying to figure out how to make the chest look good. I could start with something like this as a base, like that, and then I would need the outline like that. Took a nap and overslept, but I also had something funny today. You were using an RPG chatbot. One of your teammates was what, a dragon? Wow. That's quite impressive, actually. Why would a dragon side with you? On the story, I mean. We got to the demons and one tried to seduce the dragon? Wow. That's quite the idea to have. Is it on terrain? This one. I want to reference the chair. Okay. I want to take the colors. He's going like... Here's your hoard of gold, and you did the more about it. Well, that's one way of solving things. Yeah. A bit of a weird way to do it, but yes, that's an option for sure. And the dragon actually let them choose how they were going to die. Well, that's one hardcore dragon. Sounds like a very OP party, I must say. Yeah. I don't like how this looks actually. So she let the pig between being thrown out of orbit, Russell alive, or punch into the demon paste. Maybe didn't actually help. With most parts, just kept watching and looking at whoever who lost. The demon just pissed her off. Well, that's one way of screwing yourself over. Yeah. Does that look nice? Here I could just grab this. It looks incomplete. Well, yeah, but this will look nice. Let's see, I will do that. And then I will grab a brighter one. I will use 2 pixels as a reference. And then we go a little bit brighter. And I will give 2 pixels. And then a little bit more bright. And again 2 pixels. Like that, and I can use the gray to complete this. like that, and I need something a bit less dark. How does that look? It looks incomplete. It's an open chest. Yeah, it's supposed to look like that when you open it. This is the idea. Like this. Right? I'm not sure if I'm doing it justice. So, its appearance. Yeah. Maybe I need to move this a little bit higher, actually. Grab this and go like that. And I can just complete this. Make the inside darker. And let's see. So I could change that one like that to make it a bit darker. And maybe I can make the outside a bit brighter. Like maybe I can do something like this. Actually, more like this. Just to give it a bit of a sense of depth. And I can use the next brighter one to make it more wood-like. Maybe not the brighter one, but the darker one.
FCK again. I was at 7:30 and decided to watch some shorts.
Hello. Welcome. Welcome. That looks kinda nice, I suppose. Maybe it's a bit too bright on the top. At least now you know what was AWP invented. I never actually wondered how it was invented myself. Like at all. Maybe I could make this one way darker and the line smaller, so like that. Does that make sense? And this is when you open, like that. And I can grab this to make some make it look a little bit more woody. How does that look? It looks a bit weird. Hard to make the curvature visible from this perspective. Yeah. It is a bit hard to do. Maybe I added too many. The curvature, I believe, is nice so far. It's more about the issue with the colors, I think. Okay, that looks better. Maybe add gray on top too, but only at the sides. I could go with a little bit darker. Like over here. Make it like a little thingy like this. To give a little bit more curvature. Yeah. Actually, I think I know what is the problem. This layer right here needs to be fixed a little bit. Let's see. I'm going to add the this thing. Like that. So I can hide this. And I can remove this bottom part. And what I'm going to do is basically delete a piece. I'm going to put this like about this much. That way you see a reduction on the size of the chest. Like that. Right? That looks a bit more clean. Because there is more depth to the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. And we have now this. Yeah, yeah. I also forgot to hide the background here. There we go. Okay, so now we have a chest, right? Let's see how it looks. Let me make an object real quick. Create object, and the name is going to be object underscore chest for the moment. Just so I can decide what to do with this. It's not edible yet. I can fix that, but not yet. Okay. So let me open a map to put it on. Rectangle, terrain, sprites, rooms. I want one at the south near 40. No, 70 is the spawn. Okay, so I'm going to place it here. Let's see, it would be... I will put it as a dropper. That's actually quite big, I must admit. It doesn't look out of place, actually. Yeah, it actually doesn't look out of place, which is quite nice. It's a bit big. That's one thing. Yeah. Yeah, it looks large and also has a body inside. Yes. Should I make it smaller? Is the question. Should I? I don't think that would be necessary though. Maybe I can improve the little center right here a little bit better. A little bit. By going through the grays, I can grab the middle gray right here and make it the default. Using this. And then I can grab the highest and make that and go down from there. Just to give it a little bit more depth in general. Like that. That gives a nice button. Yeah. Yeah, that looks it. Make it look more clean in general, I think. Okay, now that we have that, we can modify our original sprite to be task scripts, no sprites. This one. Let's call this one underscore ghost. And I'm going to duplicate this and I will make the open. Right? That way I can just switch from one to the other fairly easily. And I just hide the top to make it open. Like that, right? Very easy. Now to switch from one state to the other, I just need to make a little event. There's one thing I wanted to try out. Hold on. Let's call just this test. Can I make it? What is this? An asset? Can I just grab a object like the player and just drop it? Ooh, okay. Okay. This changes stuff. Ooh, okay. Okay. First I need the saving functionality so it remembers if you open it or not. So I'm going to go to the enemies, grab a slime, and check this. Inherit events. And random direction mark, not what I want. Open parent, and I want show me the parent event. What is this? Response time does say response to the data, respond die. This is just for the response. Yeah, okay. Wasn't this the one that had the saving functionality? Or am I wrong? I can check on the doors because the doors also have it. Doors. Place. Not that one. What is it? Generic dungeon doors. I believe this one is the one that had it. Yeah, this right here is what I wanted. This whole state. And I need just add a create right here. And we add this and this, we don't need it. File plus. Wait. It's the other way around. Like this. I just need to create the key. And I just need to check the state. State. State or hit or make down on edge. That's not what I want. Oh, did I make a specific door state? Maybe I should change this. State equals to this. Yeah, I made it like that. So rather than door state, I should make it what? What would be a good name? Open state? Locked state? Well, I could just use the door state as it is, but I don't like that the name is not correct. Let's call it chest state. Chest, not chest. Okay, and I'm just going to save this state. Type might be necessary also. I don't know yet. Data chest type. Okay, we are now saving the state for the chest, right? I need to make a switch right here. Switch. Chest state. Case. Door state. Closed. In this case, if k underscore rest virtual keyboard, let's make it. What would be a good key for interactions? Shift is where the one you're using for defense. Should I make it E? No, E is for items. F? Delete, enter, shift, multiply, up, tab, pick up, multiply, insert, subtract, tab, pause, pick up, no key. What key should be this one? Q? What am I using for the player again? Player. Destroy hit base. That's cleanup, no step. Left, right, down, space, shift. I'm using E for the items. So I could use Q? Would Q be... But it feels kind of weird. Q I associate with healing or grenades in different games. I don't think about it as interacting, right? It would be more natural if I use F, because we don't have a flashlight, right? So F to interact would be more clean, kinda? Actually, Q would be more... No. E would make more sense. But E for the items would be better because it's the one where you're using the most. So yeah, I suppose F. Yeah. So on F, we change the state to opens. Honestly, you would prefer if customizable binds square thing. Yeah, I need to actually do that. Yeah, that's something I need to add. Yes. It's not currently a feature in the roadmap, but it's something I will have to do eventually. Yeah. Okay. And I need to switch the sprite index for get sprites. And this would be a chest, right? Uses character name and direction. So I can just add character name and call it chest. And direction, I will just set it to the default direction now. Right? And that should give us the correct value in theory. Sprite character state and direction. Sprite character state redirection. So rather than using that, I could just use just a state to make this work more cleanly. Okay, and I just change this. Wait, but the prefixes are already set, aren't they? Yeah, all this. Yeah. So that doesn't work. How am I doing that on the doors again? It's a state parent, state closed, door state opening. Not the one I wanted. How am I doing this? Get door, I have a specific function for this. So it checks on the type of thingy. Yeah. Well, if you plan to add control support, you will have to. Yeah. I will eventually add key bindings for sure. I think I'm going to need to make another function of this. Or instead of calculating it, I could just set it specifically. Sprite underscore chest opened. Not something I like, but something I can do. Right? So now if I go to check the game, this way. Chest type is not set before reading it. That is because I never actually specified the chest state. Chest type, let's call this for now normal. Just so we have a value there. Okay. Okay, now we're here. I get close to the chest and I press F. It does nothing. Lovely. Oh. I'm choosing the state right here. On the step we check the step equal close. And then we press F. It should change to open and change the sprite. Okay, let me test something first. How about I remove these ones for now? Just to check what's happening. Let's see. So if I press F, it should change, but it's not. That should be working. What is not working? If work, I press. What does this do exactly? Okay, maybe I should do it a little bit different. How about if I use this one? If I press F, now it's working. Okay. Now it's working. Yeah. That was the issue. Okay, now I also want to check the distance. I believe there was a function for that. Distance to object underscore player. This returns a real value. So the value needs to be under 3264. How about 32 for now? Baguette support? What do you mean baguette support? Nice support. There's something that I want to check. Actually, did I did not fix the position of the sprite. There we go. That means this move a little bit. Yeah. There we go.
E.
Welcome. Welcome. Okay, if I'm over here and press F, nothing happens. If I right here, nothing happens. If I right there, still nothing happens. Lovely. Is it the distance that is not working? I need to close this. Hold on, 1 second. Ambulance. Function the quality distance from the edge of the bounding box of the call instance to the nearest edge of the nearest instance of the specific object. So I could just show this since it's a bit of an issue. Throw UI, throw underscore text xcom y, the y I will add 20, and the text is going to be, let me save this into a variable and turn it into a string. And let's see. Now I can see the distance. I see. So this goes to 0. This is 19, this is 40.
Ambulance Chan Cameo.
But still not working, which is strange. Is maybe the condition wrong? We need GPTTS. I can add it. It shouldn't be too difficult. Now it's working. It was the condition. Yeah. I've been thinking maybe I need something to show that something is interactable. Yeah, for example, right here. You don't know you can interact, right? Maybe the distance should be a little bit smaller. Maybe 16 would be a nice distance. Yeah. Maybe 20? No, I think 16 would be the best. Okay. So we'll switch distance to 16. I was thinking maybe more of a prompt, but I don't know if that would be too interesting. Like something like this. Imagine, if you will, this is a chest. This is the chest, right? I was thinking maybe making a little prompt that basically whenever you get close to the chest, a little circle will pop up above saying something like, hey, you can press F to open. Something like that. And when you walk away, the little F disappears. Something like that. What do you think? Or would that be too immersion breaking? Would you prefer me to just put the outline around the interactable object instead? And then I can make it glow. And then sparkles come up. Just to make it more obvious. And then I will put a spotlight on top of it. And maybe a few neon signs, like pointing to it. That just looks like clickbait. Yeah, and I will dim the rest of the screen to be darker, just so the focus is all on the chest. Yeah, but I was thinking maybe the little buttons would be nice, because that will allow me to basically teach the controls in a very quiet way, if you know what I mean, without really saying, hey, to use blah 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 blah, press blah and blah. Yeah. I was thinking that. Yeah. I can actually do something, a little test for that feature. Let's see. Sprite underscore button F. I didn't need you to open. Go away. And the size, I will make it half size. I could make it 16. Right? Right? And I can go for something like this. And then I just make the little button like this. Maybe a little bit closer to the center. Something like that. Maybe not so dark. That's too bright. Something like that? What do you think? Maybe this would be a little tiny bit longer. Like that. Like that. That looks kinda nice. Right? So for example, I could go to the chest right here, and I just make if the state is closed, I will just show show interaction action mismo. Let's call it that. Get sprites just so I can open the thingy over here. And I don't need this. And I just create this one function like so. And it would be basically a draw. And I need the button right here that I'm going to use. Draw sprite. That would be sprite underscore button F image 1, and then we need an X and a Y, so I can use X and Y plus what would be nice, 24. And I need a switch so I can basically use all the different buttons. Actually, I can just calculate that, right? The same way I do this. So I do it like this. Sprite character, sprite button underscore, and then just the button. Like that. There has to be a function to go to lowercase, right? Lower, string to lower. There we go. So I can go to like this, lowercase, and put it to that. Grab the sprites, and then I just call it like this. I don't need to bother checking what button it is. And to make it move a little bit more, I could how do I call this? Global dot gizmo over X. We start at 24. No, I just say if over gizmo less than 24 over X plus plus. If the same thing is over 32 over X minus like that, and I just use this to make it bounce up and down, right? And then I just say over here use the interaction gizmo of F. It crashed. No set preferring. Lovely. So let me set this to 24 on creation. Okay, so now if I get close, it does nothing. Lovely. What did I do wrong? I should show the gizmo, yeah? Of the sprite and the correct location. Yeah, I should just be showing it by default. There is no reason for it to not to. Oh wait, maybe it's because I'm calling this on the wrong place. Should I do it over here? Let me test. There we go. It's in the ground location, but it is there. Maybe it's a bit too dark. Maybe I should make it a little bit brighter. Yeah. And this should be a minus. Wait, I think these values are not quite correct. If we're under 24, we should go up, yeah. But we will stop at 24. If we are under 32, then we go up. If we're wait, I think I need to modify this. Cover gizmo black. Okay. If we have the flag, we are going up. If not, we are going down. Right? And when dex is greater or than 32, we set the flag to go down. Right? To false. And if under the case we set it to true. If we are under 24, we go in the other direction, right? And I need to set this flag to be true by default. right? That way we have that. That looks a bit silly, I must admit. It does look the way I want it to look, but it does look a bit silly. I can set it to trigger a certain distance. Like this. And the distance would be... Is set over here, it was going to be 16. Okay, 16. Right? That way we only see the F when we are close enough. That's not working. Because I set this the ground direction. Okay. So I get close and now I see the interaction, right? It's floating a little bit too fast, but you get the idea, right? Now I kinda want to make this a little bit brighter in general. Right, and to make the movement a little bit slower, what I'm going to do is basically in this function right here, I'm going to, instead of using plus plus, I'm going to say to add just 0.5 or remove 0.5. So when I get close, that looks more clean, right? Right? It's a bit too fast still, but it looks better. Maybe I should give it an white outline because it looks a bit dull. So I will go for full white. To make it really stand out. And I will go for the darkest colors on the inside. Right? Now that looks more clean, kinda. Maybe the letter should be a tiny bit smaller. Right? Just a tiny bit. And the speed of the movement should be also a little bit slower. So let's make this 25 instead.
Good evening, Mew. What art program are you using right now to draw the assets? This looks awesome.
I'm using the built-in sprite editor of GameMaker Studio. Yeah. Okay, that looks way better. Right? And I can open it like that. I just need to add the value where it doesn't open if the state is not closed. And the state is like that. Yeah. So yeah, I'm using the default GameMaker Studio editor. Yeah, it comes with a little sprite editor. It's actually very limited. It doesn't have many tools that you would find in other image editors. For example, we only have like 3 or 4 different selection tools. Yeah. So it's very, very limited, but it's functional. And since I'm not really a professional at drawing, I'm happy enough with whatever they provide. Yeah. Wait, can I make a... Oh! Now, this is something I didn't know I could do. Wait. How does that work? So it's just for me to actually see how it looks. Huh. I don't think that's actually useful. At least not for me. You have been using Kirita to do your artwork. I just started doing pixel stuff for texture pack I'm working on. Ah. Yeah, I don't really have any experience with doing art. I'm basically doing my own art because I don't have an artist I can actually hire to do it. So I'm doing it myself. Yeah. Okay, I think that's kinda working as I wanted it. Let's see. So we get close to the chest right there. When we go close enough, the button opens, right? When I hit F, it opens and disappears, right? And if I save and I leave and go back, that's not working correctly. But if I load, it's still not working correctly. Lovely. Oh, I know why. Hold up. It's because here I need to basically check the state. after we load it, and we check if chest state is opened. We just switch to the correct texture over here, right? So that way, whenever we continue over here, you can see I can open it. I open it, I can leave, come back, and still close. That's not working. Why are you not? Oh, because I'm not saving. That's the issue. Okay. I need an item. That's why I started a year ago. I couldn't draw anything that really has sold a few drawings. You might surprise yourself if you stick with it. Yeah. Hopefully I get good enough. I believe currently I'm improving quite fast. Then again, is that just what I believe? Yeah. On roommates, I will save. So it will be store data, I believe it was the function. Yeah. There we go. And with that, that should be working now. So if I go over here and open the chest and I leave and come back, it's still not saving. Lovely. Why are you not working? Oh wait, I did switch the state right there. I am saving the chest state and I'm loading it. I am changing the chest state, right? Yeah, I'm changing the chest state right there. What's wrong here? Because this is triggering correctly. First state close, the distance is correct. And data specify replace Abimer Saraki data. Is it maybe the generic key that is not working? No, that seems to be working. So I go over here, maybe it's because actually instead of doing it here, how about if I just call it directly when I change the stage, stage of the chest like this? So if I do that, and then I save, I leave, and come back. It's not saving the state. That's weird. Why are you saving? Let's check. Okay, so we go in over here. So we are right there. Let's see. I'm using a debugger. 1 second. Breakpoints, compilers, search sources, control variables, instances. Honestly, I will draw if I wasn't so lazy. I make a dragon? That would be interesting to see. Which direction? Watch. Data. Huh. That's so weird. Hold up. If I leave and come back, what does that cause? Nothing apparently. Oh, there we go. 1 second. Got it. I want to check this variable right here. Okay, if I do this... Okay, let's see. Let's see, data has chest type normal, chest state is 1. Yeah. File map 0 object chest with coordinates. Chest state is 0, chest state is 1. Why is this? Oh, that's why. Hold up, I see what the issue is. Yep. Okay. Oops. Okay, I get it. It's nice that I figured out how to use the debugger. The issue is that I'm changing this variable right here, chest height. But if you pay attention, you can see that the data that I actually saved to the thingy to the file is contained inside here, right? On this structure. But I'm only updating this one and not the other one. So basically, I think I need to probably make a function. Yeah, I will do it. Let's call it save data. And I will basically assign data, right? Like this. Right? So I can just call save data right here. And that should fix the issue. Just draw a dragon with the Hatsumi Miku head. Wow. Okay, go out here. And I open the chest. And I leave. And I come back. And the chest is still open. And if I load, it's closed. But if I save and then load, it stays closed. Nice! That's now working quite nicely. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Okay. Now the only thing I want to do is this function right here. This check. I'm going to transfer it into the function right here. Basically, I'm just to copy this just to make sure this is basically a nice check that is actually unnecessary to do on most objects. So if it's greater than 16, we return, right? So I can ignore this part of the check right here, and now it's just checking the state of the chest. Yeah. That means now I can use this function on other stuff. For example, I can go to the node parent. Where is it? Where are you? Lore pages. Did I not put the parent right here? Hold on. This one? Let me grab... That's the... Oh, this is the sprite. That's the issue. It was lore. Dialog parent, lore pages. All page parent. Do you have a parent? It doesn't have a parent. I can go over here and just this is just to show the page. Okay, I can just add the little interaction gizmo right here without an issue, right? So now whenever I get close to the page, it will show the interaction, right? Ah, shit. Well, right? Now it's showing the interaction about the perk. It doesn't look good, like at all. Probably because the sprite is not centered. Yeah. Yes. So let me check the sprite. Sprite. Lore page. This one, yeah, is on top left. It should be middle center. And the same for this one. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now it's literally on top of the page. Nice. Yeah, and now it will show also for the chest and the pages on its own. Yeah. If the client can't specify what they want precisely, they can complain. I suppose you're right. Yeah. Then again, learning how to interpret what the client wants is by itself quite the art. Yeah. I had to deal with that a lot when I was doing what to call it? Quality assurance test, because they will report, hey, this is not working. And I was like, but what you to do? And they were like, no, it's I did blah 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 and this and that and that. And I was like, but that's what is supposed to do when you do that kind of stuff. So I had to figure out what in the process they considered a bug or something that was not functioning correctly. Yeah. Welcome, Basil. Welcome. Yeah. Whoa. Hold up. That's not working correctly. Unlike the process or create release, which are the triggered ones. Okay, I will be using this one. Okay. I still need to clip that Carlo comment from Sunday. Yeah, that's working out correctly. Nice. Okay, we made a little hover interaction button, which is quite nice, I believe. Yeah. You're gonna meme that? Really? I'm not sure how you are going to manage to meme that one out. Yeah. This might be a good idea to resize to something smaller. These two pages. Because I'm seeing they are basically a whole size smaller. So let me see if I can resize this. Like that. There we go. And I can do the same for the other one. There we go. That should fix some issues. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, that's supposed to be parchment or paper, however you wish to interpret it. Yeah, this is more clean, I believe. there is less bulk or space around it. Yeah. Okay, I need to modify something over here also. For the pages that I just modified, because I might have affected something. Interacted, pages press, source page, suppose. Okay. Place meeting object. I need to modify this. Yeah. I think I will use the gizmos example. Use this. Right here. Let's see. I will do it like this. Yeah. Wow, wait, what are you? The one with the highest. Isn't Historia like the actual top of the top? Wait, what happened there? They said Spy Rabbit, Heronix, Rani. Yeah, Historia is not even in the list. Yeah. While you're watching, I have a system where you earn a few crystals as you watch. So you can use it to buy some alerts and that kind of stuff. Yeah. There is a shop with different alerts you can actually use. If you wish to, I had a specific kind of alert. You can actually suggest alerts on my Discord. Yeah. Really? It's not working. Huh. Round score x xy plus 10 underscore interacted. Actually, I'm just going to grab this like that. String this. Let's see. Oh, wait, sorry. I forget I need to refresh some stuff. Whoops. It is actually triggering. I don't know why it's not opening. Huh. So it has to be the distance greater than 16? No, that should be less than 16. That's the issue. Yeah, there are also games you can play using the crystals. There we go. Now it's working. Okay, now that I fixed that, I can continue with the chest. Okay, so we have this, right? Now I want to okay, right now I'm using show interaction gizmo, right? But what about if I use a pickup gizmo? That would be very interesting, actually. Wow, Ryan just won 20 crystal shards. I was thinking maybe I can modify this one to make a pickup gizmo. Yeah, so I can copy this function and do this. So the function for the gizmo is the same. What changes is the sprite I'm showing. So I could just make a function called show gizmo. And what it will do is receive a sprite. So I can remove this. I don't need this one either. And this one is specifically to the interaction one. Okay. So here, rather than interaction, this would be pickup gizmo. There is also slot and lockbox, but be careful with that one. Yeah, a lockbox is basically a treasure chest. You need to guess the combination for, but as you are trying to guess the combination, everyone in chat can see what you're doing, and anyone can just jump in and steal the chest from you if they guess the combination before you do. So be mindful of that. Yeah. Okay, I don't need to draw the sprite. I just need to call the gizmo. Show gizmo with the sprite. Okay. I don't need to make this. The show pickup doesn't need this. And it should just be a drop right here. Let's see, the button, I don't need it. Let's see. I could just use the drop. Yeah, the back command also gives you crystals. There is a cooldown on it, so you cannot abuse it. Also, it doesn't give you much crystals, so you can use it when you are a few crystals short to buy something. Yeah. A drop. So I can just say drop dot sprite index like that. It was fun for a little gamble mechanic. Yeah. You can actually get hints about what the combination is. Pretty much nobody seems to like to use it, but yeah, you can actually do that. Sure, is more. On this one, I can keep this. I don't need this. And I can use this one right here. There we go. I think that should work. What do you mean, leg picks? Ah. Yeah. In theory, this should work. Let's see. There should be a pickup function. Let's see. Pickup, yeah, right here. Show me this. Pickle small heart. I could use trigger UI to do that right here. I can actually improve this function quite a bit. Value shortcut font, still historia. Oh yeah, just a warning, the still function has a punishment if you fail, so be careful about that. Careful, careful. Show gizmo, let's use object. Let's go a small heart. And for bombs, I could just trigger the one for bombs. Object underscore bomb drop. And for money, it would be the same. Object underscore money. And this I can easily improve by doing this. Yeah, okay. Let's give it a try. This is the trigger UI. This is the pickup. Okay. Let's see. So if I hit a spawn, there you go. It didn't trigger. Lovely. Oh, is it maybe because it's triggering on the object and not the player itself? Yeah, it's triggering on the object manager. That's the issue. Okay. Yeah. What does this do again? Calls trigger. UI element guess. Yeah, okay. Trigger hearts. Bombs and money. Uh-huh. I don't actually need to call up the manager here. I can do it all the way over here. Yeah. Okay, so I can just move this all the way to the bottom. Like that. Okay. That should fix it. Well, anyway, I stuck out of the crystals. Wow. I'm really not getting lucky with those. Oh, okay. Still not quite. It's not giving me the pop-up. Even though it's still working correctly. Oh. Trigger UI elements. Okay, this is triggering right here. If order or insert space or big money. Read author, instant destroy. Okay. This is no longer using the other one. So why is this not working? Pick up. Where is pickup actually? Where is the pickup function? Hold on. Okay, we have one right there. We need movement. Okay, and this is movement with ID. And that's for movement, so that would be for the player, right? Ah! Let me check the player actually. Several hidden check. Right, we will sprite, we have right left. Do I have a move? Enable it, garage, just one data, set data. Idle, bump, hit, giant moving. There we go. We have right here the movement. Actually, this queer ID is not necessary. Now that I read the code again, that could be a small optimization. Yeah. I don't need this ID. Whether to this person list? No, it's factor 1. Magic. Oh, by the way, I was checking the bug we saw the other day. I figured out what was wrong. It's actually an issue with YouTube. It seems YouTube, whenever it looks for a user, uses the user's name instead of the handle. So that's where the bug comes from. Sadly, it also means that I cannot actually fix it. So basically, I'm going to ban whoever abuses that, because I can really not fix it in any way. Yeah. Sadly, yes. Okay, so pickup is being called right there, and we have pickup right there. We have our order. We check for collision. We do an HP++. Okay. No. Trigger guy, quit order. Instant destroy. Huh. It is I'm calling the function for the gizmo right there. Maybe I could do it over here. Other on pickup. Wait. That's a different thing. 1 second. Create on pickup. On pickup ID. Ah, I see. That's actually a very smart way of doing it. And I can do the same for the small heart, actually. Hmm. Hey, Verthandy, how does your script handles the character? What do you mean? What do you mean with character exactly? Appearances. I can just call on pickup other ID. Yeah, I can just switch this right here. To trigger the small heart. Oh, you mean the okay, the semicolon character. I see. It doesn't remove it. Yeah. It should work with the you can use the simply like this. 1 second. Still like that. Yeah. That's one way of using it. Yeah. Oh, is it not letting you actually do it? Wait, let me try the other chat. Still. Did I really not let you? Hold up. Yeah, that did trigger. Yeah. What you can do maybe is use the symbol that Killfire is actually using. This symbol, let me show you actually. This one right here. You see that? That's the symbol for the emoticon Killfire is using. Right? So if you use this instead of the whatever it's called, the emote, you can actually trigger it, right? This symbol right here. Because you can do it by typing, what was it? What was it again? The name? Fleur de Lis? De Lis, I believe, something like this. That's one way of putting that, but there is an actual symbol. Yeah. You just have to figure out the symbol. Yeah. Then again, that's an option to protect yourself. Just add a weird emoticon to your name. Yeah. Okay, let's test a little bit. That's not working still. Why is that not working? Hold up. That is working just fine. Huh. Oh great, maybe it's being called just once? And that's the issue? Yeah, that could be the problem, actually. Now that I think about it. Yeah. The emojis on your Freddyverse account get formatted as text like that, and someone else's claim doesn't support the emojis. Nah, yeah. That indeed can happen. Yes. I put it on the pickup, right? No, the small heart, not the big heart. This one? Yeah. That's the issue, actually. I get it, I get it. Okay, I need to go to the player. And basically on Raw UI, pick up underscore flag. And then we will show the pickup with pickup nuggets. Actually, let's make it an object. Object. Like that. And I'm going to use an alarm. Alarm 1. Let's call this pickup gizmo trigger. So pickup object is going to be no one for now. And on alarm, how am I using this over here? I just changed the flag. Okay. So I would switch the flag off. False. And to trigger the pickup, I will on the actual pickup, I would go id dot pick up target equals object underscore big heart. Let's make it a small heart. Small heart. Pick up flag equals to true. And ID alarm. What was the code for the alarm again? It was on the attack, if I remember correctly. adding, I believe this was right here. Set alarm for this amount of frames. Okay. So I could set this to the alarm id.alarm set let's leave it at 300 and the alarm would be the one, right? Still having trouble stealing for Fire, huh? Wow. Object hardware create an iterative argument for other respected. Instant destroy. Oh, at this probably. Okay. Let's see, and that was an immediate clash because one was running it. Okay. Let's go to the player. Alarms. And I need this also. Okay. Yeah, there is a list of the music I'm playing on the description, if you're interested. Let's see. That didn't trigger, because it's not a heart. Alright, if I want a heart, I need to get hurt. Hello, Bernie? Really? Come on. Come on. You got stuck. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Now let me see if I can get a heart. That's not a heart. I'm going to need to improve the collision detection. That's not a heart. That's not a heart. Not a heart. Nothing. Nothing. That's not a heart. Not a heart. Nope. Nope. That's nothing. Not there. Oh, that was a heart, but it didn't trigger. Wait. What about if I set this to object underscore heart, not the heart short, object underscore small heart, and I set this to true? That should fix it, right? Drop the sprite of index. Unable to find instance object 94. Oh, I see. So basically he couldn't find the sprites. Okay. Let's see. If I do it like this. Still not. Huh. Okay, so I would need to call directly to the sprite. Huh. Yeah, my game is free on Patreon to play, if you're interested. Yeah. Small heart. Small heart drop. That means I need to modify this thing to just be dropped instead of anything. Actually, I can just set this like that. Let's see. It crash again. Gizmo, flag no run. Okay. So that's easier to solve. I just need this right here. The variables, the global variables. And I can probably stick them onto the game manager. Generic. Not dungeon game manager. On the grids. I can just post them there. Yeah. There we go. Now I have a heart. So that's actually working now. I could make this hover speed also. And I could set it to 1. And I can go to... not this. Where are we? I need to go to the player right here. And I need to do show gizmo. And this is going to be changed to gizmo hover speed. Right here. And I will set the gizmo hover speed for interaction to 0.25 as we had it. And for this one I will change it to 1. Let's see. Wait, Verthandy, I'm going to use that book to test something. Please don't ban me. Okay, that's fine. If you are going to test something, do it on Historia, please, so you don't bother other users. Because I have the other one triggered. Yeah. Quit. Okay, that's working how I want it. Now I just need to actually trigger it the correct way. So I will set this to no one. And I'll set this to false. Right there. And now I need to trigger it using a small heart. Actually, was the big heart the one that had it? Yeah. Can I use it like this, I wonder? Let's see. Like that. Okay. Now I just need to get farmed. Well, it's gonna be fun. Okay, to confirm it. Is the formatting? Ah. Red sprite, the sprite, global gizmo hover, incorrect type, object expecting a sprite. Okay, didn't work. Sprite underscore small heart. Small heart drop. And I can do the same over here, but this would be big. Big heart drop. Okay. If this actually works, that means I can actually do something interesting here. Gizmo hover X 939, incorrect type of expecting type sprite. Did it trigger somehow? Hold on. I shouldn't be triggering currently. Well, maybe I should add a validation just in case. Like this. That should prevent the objects from being not set. Sprite 1 global gizmo hover, this spec sprite. Why are you triggering that? Did I forget to remove something? Yeah, I forgot them right there here. That's the problem. Yeah, okay. Come on, little guy. The AI is kinda broken right now, which is not a good thing. Come on, come on. Can you move? You're stuck. And that guy just want to leave. For some reason. Ah! Oh! Success! You just managed to steal from Kilfara. Congratulations. I think I need to do things a little bit different over here. I'm just going to close that and close this one also and grab this on pickup. And I will just add it here. ID. I believe it was bomb, right? Bumps. Okay. So max underscore bumps. I just need to change these ones real quick. This is actually never going to happen, now that I think about it. Sprite underscore bump, drop. Pick of flag, heavy trigger, pump. Instant destroy. Okay. So I can copy this. And we can go to the money. And add this one also. Money. And max underscore money. Like that. And trigger sprite underscore money. And money. Okay. Your OS can tell the emojis part, but your phone's OS can. Interesting. That's actually very interesting. Okay. Let's see. Now that I have that, I just need to go to the pickup function, I believe. Pickup.
Fleur-de-lis.
Fleur-de-lis? Yeah. Yeah, that way actually works, huh? Sprite. Pick up. I don't need this ones. Collisions. Lower response time.
Fleur-de-lis.
Drops. Fleur-de-lis. This is the UI, so that's nothing I want. This is the create. Oh, it's over here. Pick up. Okay. So I just need to do this. Balance money. Yeah, I don't actually need all this stuff. You can just set it like this. And remove this one. For the bomb is the same. I can just switch it to this. Yeah. Oh. I think that's correct. Okay, let's move on. Let's see. Now I should be able to test with whatever item I want. And now suddenly everything is... Ah! It crashed. 1 second. Career of extra parents. No set before in it. Alarm set. Oh no, not check that alarm set. I see. Okay. So that means I need to go to the drop over here. I can just say quit ID to save me some trouble. This needs to happen over here. Like that, and this goes like this. Yeah, I think that's correct. Let me check. Now you have the means to target him. Okay, let's see. And there we go. It didn't trigger. Lovely. Target throws prime only set to price. Why is this not working? Why is this not working? Maybe I should just set it like this. Would that make things easier? Because right now I could be confused with the actual ID of the object. No, it didn't make a difference. Uh, hmm. Pick up target straight. Oh, I see. I think I know what the issue is. I'm so dumb. I see what the issue is now. I see. Okay. I was basically naming the wrong variable. There we go. You now can see the pickup like that. Maybe I should cut this to 1 second. If the movement is 1 per frame, and we're going from 24 to... that should be 8, right? So I can just limit to 8 frames. And that should do the trick. That's a little bit too slow. I mean, too fast. So maybe if I do it double that, it should work. Yeah, now that looks quite nice. Ah, that crashed. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Got it. Yeah. Bump small boss because right is for the bump. And the trigger is this one. And I can get rid of this one. ID, max bombs, return, my boss, boss, 16 type bombs. Okay. We are good. Now go to object cards. And this would be HP. Mass HP. And this would be +4. The sprite is this one. And the trigger is for hearts. That looks okay. Okay. There we go. Now I need the small heart. And we're doing the same. I'm just going to grab this one actually. And this would be just for 1. And delete the other one. Yeah. Okay, let's see. You're really putting the steal command to test. Now actually looks like you pick up an item, right? Yeah? Nice. And now you also have the prompts for the objects that are interactable. Yeah. That gives it quite a bit more refinement to the entire game, I would say. Yeah. It gives it way more polish, I think. Okay, now that we did all that mumbo jumbo, let's go back to the chest. Which is the point of the stream, kinda. Okay, so we now have a chest, right? I have these variables for whatever I want the chest to drop. Is set for nothing currently, right? So once you open the chest, I want these to basically drop it. So it would be on opening, right here. So I will basically instance create. It would be on X, Y. The object would be drop, and that's pretty much it, right? And I can actually set it a little bit below, like below 16. Xshare rel depth is asking. I will set it to 0. I don't know why it's for instance of depth. That's not what I wanted. Just instance create a layer actually. And layer should be after the thingy. Okay, so it would be on layer drops. Okay. Right. Okay. So in theory, if I have this lovely chest right here, right? And I set the drop to, for example, a bomb drop, like this. And I move it a little just to make it a different location. So I hit continue, fly to, so we are here, right? So if I go close to the chest, I get the prompt to open it. And if I hit F, it drops a bomb as I specified, right? And if I leave and go back, the chest is still open. Yeah.
Hola.
Hola, bienvenido, bienvenido, Spy. Bienvenido. Bienvenido, bienvenido. This is quite nice. The game is progressing quite a bit, I think. Yeah. ¿Cómo están? Yo personalmente estoy bastante bien. ¿Cómo estás tú, Spy? ¿Todo bien, yo espero? That's right. Indian Access Dungeon Access number of 6 with keys plus. Okay, this triggers pretty much everything. So I could just grab the same structure I'm using for the other ones. Right here. Right there. And can ignore this. And the spread would be sprite underscore small key. Here type, and I will add the small key into the different drops. Yeah. Pues igual vino y fue a comprar una guitarra. Ahora si lo ves al lado se alcanza a unirme al extracurricular de guitarra, porque todos hacen speedrun de esa cosa extracurricular. Ah, interesante. Yo nunca tuve un extracurricular de guitarra para nada. Okay, that actually made me jump. Sprite underscore small key. There we go. I might need to improve the UI, I think. Ah. ¿Le alcanzaste a bajar a los audífonos? Qué bueno, qué bueno. Tal vez voy a bajarle... como decía, a ver si alcanzo a extrapolar porque quitaron que es el principal que llena más rápido. Qué bueno. Espero que... si lo logres tomar. Okay, I read the small key. I already have that. 1 second, I'll be right back. I need to let the cat out. 1 second, I'll be right back. I really need to make a be right back screen. Yeah. It's kinda necessary. Bueno, como decía, claro, hay otros como uno que se enfoca, creo que periodismo y otros de deportes. Pero los deportes no me gusta para nada. Y una parte que no soy bueno para casi ninguno. Sucede, sí. Suele suceder. Sí. Yeah. Otro porque compañeros se unieron ahí y las mandaron a volar solo porque no tenían uniforme. Wow. Vemos. So I want to make the trigger for this. I want to make this a type of chest type. Let's call it an expression. The image type. What was the? Let me check. For this. Door state. Was the log type maybe? I don't remember. State prefix. State. This is for the menus. Damage type, UI type, direction team, door. Así que parte estoy viendo el informe del extracurricular del periodismo en caso de que no alcance el guitarra. Puede que soy sepa algunas cosas. Pues mucha suerte con eso. Yo la verdad nunca he tocado nada de eso. Para nada. Let's make this trigger lock. Puzzle lock. You have quite a lot of crystals. Yeah. I can make the first type, the gauntlet lock, actually. So I can basically add a switch, right? Right here. Switch. Chest type. Seems to claim more crystal and I will have the perfect amount. Yeah, indeed. That would have been quite the success. Yeah. Case. Switch. Rather than lock, maybe I should name this something different. Gauntlet lock. Break. Okay, in a gauntlet lock, I just need to check. Let's see. Doors. Where are you? Generic dungeon doors. Gauntlet lock. There's status. Yeah, this one right here is the one I want. If instant resist any parents, we can change chest type to door.normal. Yeah. Tengo que ver la info de un mapa de Minecraft que está prohibido en medio del mundo por la info que contiene. Y solo que usar la info para presentarla en cualquier proyecto de periodismo, pero que si no me sirve el procesar esa info. La verdad no sé a qué te refieres. No he escuchado de ese caso. So I could set it like this. And I can make another page right here. And it would be for the normal. And I will just shove all these in here. Actually, I could just make the function over here. Function open chest. And I will just add the switch right here. Right? So we're right here and we check if the player is trying to open the chest. And in the meanwhile, I can just set the value to what it is. If chest state is close. I will set the sprite index to chest object sprite chest closed. Yeah. Like that. Chip, si tienes el video, mándamelo. Se oye interesante, la verdad. Yeah. Okay. That means I need to make a countlet door, basically. Countlet. Let me actually first make the sprite. Sprite. Sprites right here. I can close that. We have the chest closed. Right? And I can just add a new... Actually, hold on. Instead of modifying this, I need to make a copy. Right. Okay. And what I'm going to do is just make a little skull. Yeah. So I'm just going to make the outline first. Maybe a little bit bigger. I can just make it red. Why when I draw this kind of stuff, that ends up being a little bit cute when I trying to be menacing? I felt the intimidation roll. Ah. This time already? Just gauntlets. Okay, so let's give it a try to the chest gauntlets. So I'm going to go to a map with enemies. Let's see, maps. Just as a last test. Let's go to for actually 5-1. 3-0. No, it's 4-0, I suppose. 6-0, was it? Yeah, this little guy is there. So I can grab the chest right here and go to the correct thingy and just place it. Right? Like right there. Yeah, maybe I could place it right here actually. Yeah, and I can move this plant out of the way. Okay, and I'm going to just modify this guy. The variables is going to be it's already a gauntlet lock by default, which shouldn't be. Normal. Okay. The drops, I will set it as a bump. Drop a bump. Chest direction down. Okay, we are good. No sé por qué me recordó a las cosas de las llaves del clase en Minecraft. Yo tampoco sé de cuál estás hablando. Okay, so we go over here. We have this is supposed to be a gauntlet. Chest. Wait. Why is that not? Oh, I see. Gauntlet lock. Okay. Just let me test this and we will finish for today. It's still not the correct lock. That's annoying. Did I not set it correctly? Just check. Oh, it's because I'm setting this right there. Whoops. Whoops. Let me set this to what it's supposed to be. I'm just going to delete that actually. Probably I should add this one right here. Just state, and I will just by default this is going to be closed. Let me put sort these ones. Okay, and I can remove that. Okay, let's go. Pregunta Rambon.set que considera la teoría del internet muerto poco a poco se esté haciendo canon llegando a las inteligencias artificiales. La verdad, el internet estaría muerto nada más para personas comunes. Gente como yo puede navegarlo perfectamente bien. There we go. Now it's working. So if I kill this guy, the chest opens and I can grab the bomb. Nice. Okay, the gauntlet chest is working perfectly, which is lovely. Yeah. Okay, wait. We're done. We succeeded in our goal. Yeah. Sí, es que usualmente las personas que caen mucho en información falsa es gente que no sabe de tecnología. Yeah.
God damn it. He's vibrating. Lolly stole 10 crystal shards from Akilfera.
Yeah, but on the theory of the internet, only people who don't really know how to do research, how to verify sources and that kind of stuff, people who don't know how to look for information are the people who would really suffer when the internet is full of trash. Yeah. Yeah. Es what I think. Sí, pero solamente las personas que no saben buscar o confirmar información serían las que sobrevivirían si el internet se llena de basura. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop here because my throat is slowly dying. So I will see you guys on Thursday. Tomorrow I will be publishing a new Celeste edit. It will be a video, not a stream, just so you are aware. Yeah. So yeah, I will see you guys on Thursday. As always, my schedule is on Twitter, also on Discord, and the prototype for the game, latest version, is on Patreon. Yeah, and the source is also available on the same place for $1. Yeah, if you're interested. So that's it. Voy a parar aquí. Muy buenas noches. Que descansen. Thank you so much for coming. Red Squall. Good night. Oh. Welcome. Oh. Ooh. So yeah. Thank you so much for coming and good night. Sleep well. My voice is dying. Bye bye, good night, adiós, que descansen bien. Mi voz está muriendo. Nos vemos, adiós. Bye. Bye. The fuck was that sound? Goodbye.
Fleur-de-lis. No matter. I know have the means to target him. Interesting. Yes, Ola. Comotan? Duck. Pues igual bien, fui a comprar una guitarra. Eso si la voy a usar si el conso animal extracurricular de guitarra. Porque todos hacen speedrun en esa cosa, skull. De extracurricular. Iguals vasi. Gotham. La alt conser bajar el volumen de mis audífonos jakes. Wenham como decía versión conso el extracurricular porque el de guitarra es el principal que se llena más rápido, frowning face. Claro hay otros, como uno que se enfoca en creo que algo de periodismo y otros de deportes. Pero los de deportes no me gusta para nada, skull. Una parte porque no soy bueno en casi ningún deporte. Y en otro porque unos compañeros de mi salón se unieron allí while as mandaron a volar solo porque no tenían uniform. Cuando en primeras ni se le proporcionó uniform y tampoco se le mencionó. Aunque si en parte estoy viendo en anime en el extracurricular de periodismo en caso de que no el conseguirá llegar pues. Puede que soy sepa algunas cosas, nice. 60,000 more crystals and I would have had the perfect amount. Have had. Digo me refiero a info de un mapa de Minecraft que está prohibido en medio mundo por la info que contiene, frowning face. Y si lo que me refiero es usar esa info para presentarlo en cualquier proyecto de periodismo. Claro si es que no me silencian primero por usar esa info. Pos de busco un video y se lo mando en el server, duck, thumbs up. Ya son las 9, bread, digo la hora en la que se termina el stream esto en mi zona horaria XD. You failed the intimidation roll. Also, time alert. No sé por qué la miniatura del directo me recuerda las nuevas llaves de la actualización de Minecraft. No sé qué versión si has rotos que estoy dormido en las actualizaciones de Minecraft XD. Ni siquiera sé cómo se llama la actualización de Minecraft JKDKDKSK. Parry. Pregunta random. ¿Usted considera que la teoría del Internet muerto poco a poco se está haciendo canon por la llegada de las inteligencias artificiales? Está refiriendo también a las nuevas cuentas de Instagram. Excellent. No está bueno, duck. Facebook has accounts now. Dead Internet theory is a reality. Alright, good night everyone. Okay, have good night. Or else. Hasta mañana, DDDDDD. _xd. When mando el video que mencionaba en el Discord ahorita, duck, thumbs up. B, thumbs up. Jaged que onda con mi comentario. Croissant.
E com acento agudo.
Banana. Bread. Slice of pizza. Cat, big black square, cat, big black square. Duck, left pointing finger, bread.
NH.
Wait, what?
E com acento agudo. E com acento grave.
WTF. Eyes. N tilde.
N.
Okay, bye bye. Good night.
E com acento agudo NH e com acento grave.
Bye.